Having an in-house lawyer is often too costly without a sufficient volume of legal work to justify the expense. Now, you might think, why not just engage a lawyer when needed? While that is possible, it comes with its own set of challenges. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down legal concepts and issues that matter to business owners and individuals in Singapore. Today we are discussing a topic relevant to small businesses and startups. Why they often don't have in-house legal counsel, why engaging lawyers on an ad hoc basis can be costly, and how opting for a retainer package with a law firm can be a smart, budget-friendly choice. For larger companies, having a legal team in-house makes sense due to their scale and complexity of operations. They face a constant stream of legal work, from managing contracts to compliance issues and intellectual property. But for small businesses and startups, the need for legal support isn't as constant. Their budgets are typically lean, with most of the focus on growing their product or service offerings rather than on legal or administrative staffing. Simply put, having an in-house lawyer is often too costly without a sufficient volume of legal work to justify the expense. Now, you might think, why not just engage a lawyer when needed? While that is possible, it comes with its own set of challenges. Law firms often bill by the hour, and hourly rates can be expensive. For small businesses, this approach can feel like a gamble. If a project runs longer than expected, or if unexpected issues arise, costs can quickly skyrocket. Consider scenarios like drafting a complex contract, handling an employment issue, or navigating regulatory compliance. These matters often take more time and expertise than initially expected, making ad hoc legal fees a potentially significant expense. Another reason small businesses might avoid hiring in-house counsel is they don't have the volume of legal work needed to justify a permanent legal hire. Legal needs for smaller companies tend to be more sporadic. A contract here, an employment agreement there, so paying for a full-time legal professional just doesn't make financial sense. This is where a more strategic choice comes into play: engaging a law firm on a retainer package. Retainer packages allow small businesses to budget for legal services at a predictable monthly cost without the commitment of a full-time hire. These retainer packages provide peace of mind that legal assistance is available when needed, whether it's low-volume work or quick advisory calls. With a retainer, companies can access legal guidance regularly without facing a massive bill after each session. This arrangement is particularly beneficial for startups and small businesses that need occasional legal help but can't afford in-house counsel. So what are the main benefits of these retainer packages? First, cost efficiency. Retainers provide a set monthly cost, helping you avoid the unpredictability of hourly billing. You know what you're paying and you can budget accordingly. Number two, flexibility for short-term needs. Suppose you're expanding and need extra help for a few months, or maybe your HR manager is going on maternity leave and you need legal advice on employment matters. Instead of hiring a temporary in-house lawyer, your law firm on retainer can step in seamlessly. Number three, access to expertise. Some retainer packages often include a team of legal professionals specializing in different areas, so you have access to various experts as needed. This can be particularly valuable for complex issues that require specialist knowledge. Finally, better relationship building. With a retainer, your law firm gains a better understanding of your business. They can offer advice that is tailored to your needs and aligned with your business goals. Let's look at 3 real-life scenarios where a retainer package can be especially useful for a small business. First, employment matters. Let's say your company is expanding and hiring new employees. You need help drafting employment contracts, updating workplace policies, and handling compliance with local employment regulations. A retainer law firm can take care of all these as they arise without the need for a costly full-time lawyer. Second scenario, regulatory compliance. Imagine you're a food delivery startup facing new regulatory requirements from the Singapore Food Agency. A retainer law firm can provide ongoing updates and advice on compliance matters as they develop, saving you the trouble of constantly engaging a lawyer every time a new regulation is introduced. Third example, contractual disputes. Say you're a service provider with a major client disputing a payment or terms of a contract. Instead of scrambling to find a lawyer on short notice, Your retainer firm is already familiar with the contracts and can jump in to advise you immediately. These scenarios show how retainers offer more than just savings. They also give you assurance that you have legal support at hand whenever issues arise. In today's dynamic business environment, small businesses and startups face an increasing need to stay legally compliant without breaking the bank. Retainer packages for outsourced legal services offer a bridge between costly hourly engagements and the impracticality of hiring an in-house lawyer. They give you predictable costs, flexibility for project-based work, and access to a breadth of expertise. For any small business owners or startup founders out there, consider discussing your needs with a law firm to see if the retainer might be a right fit for you. It's an option that's budget-friendly and designed to grow with your business. Remember, good legal advice doesn't have to be out of reach, even for small businesses. A retainer can make professional guidance affordable and accessible, ensuring you're always ready for any legal challenge. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.